Hey guys, how's it going? I thought I would post a little sample video of my face in the way. Of a workshop that I'm giving soon. Also just want to check the video out here. I think it's on Facebook. If anyone's out there, can you hear me? I'm not even on my own account here. Oh, that's cool. Hey Amber, how's it going? Amber just liked it. So I am giving a workshop on Thursday this week where I'm going to be painting Meredith here, who is in the video. I'm looking right now and I think the video is a little dark in comparison to the finished painting. So I might come in and lighten this up in Photoshop or in Premiere so it looks a little bit more accurate to the painting. That's kind of cool. I can see it over here. And I did some editing where I was able to put the palette next to the painting. And I'm coming in with the soft brush really just to soften up some of these edges, kind of scumbling some of the pinks into her cheeks to really get some of that subtlety of how the form turns. Something I love doing at this stage where this is a demo, so it's not a complete finish for me, but starting to get a sense of how the form kind of turns and wraps around the bone structure of her face, and just really using the subtlety of color to do that. So here's kind of a close-up, and I use small hatches really to kind of push and pull the color. Really looking to see the direction of the stroke that I want to have my brush follow. Follow that texture of her skin. Hey Beatrix from Spain, how's it going? You've taken a workshop I think like this before. We have a number of people who have signed up for this, which is pretty amazing. A lot of alumni students, I guess, who have taken other online workshops since pretty much the pandemic. And Shanna and I have been teaching online for a bit. We kind of like it. We kind of love it. It's kind of fun to be able to kind of express ideas through high quality video where you can really get close up and see what I'm doing versus a live class where it's really hard sometimes to see over my shoulder as I'm making the decisions that I'm making as I'm doing the painting. So here I'm cutting across that form. Light drapes across form perpendicularly, and so I want the light on that edge of the nose, on the alar cartilage, to drape across the nose. And then if I want to highlight to kind of go and be a dissonant element, which is a specular highlight, I go against the form so it stands out. Now what I'll do is I'll put those in there and then I kind of come in and soften them out with this brush. So it's a combination of putting paint on as well as moving paint around with the dry brush technique. Hey Brenda, how's it going? I'm seeing the chat from my phone down here, not really on the screen. I don't really do Facebook Lives all that much. It's kind of fun though. Oh, I see a live chat button. Let me see what's going on here. I see Sandra is here, Calvin, Brenda, Beatrix. I'm not sure if I say your name right. Hey Nancy, how's it going? And so again, taking that brush and really kind of moving that cheek into that part of the nose right there, softening up. And I want to kind of, I noticed that maybe that dissonant element of the highlight's a little too strong. So I'm going to come in here and kind of soften that out a little bit. The brush I'm using is an Isabey LK brush, which I'm not sure if they make anymore. I think it's a Kolinsky Sable, which I think are hard to get into the country. This is one of the few that I have. I've actually, a company sent me some and they were actually snapped in half, and I've been taping them together to use them because they're rare brushes They're some of my favorite brushes, though. Something about the hairs. I've been using rosemary brushes as well. I think their Series 33 are really amazing for doing kind of the same thing. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I do have a painting at the Meme in Barcelona, an old painting of mine that they purchased. Can you make this course as an instructional DVD, which is available for download? All the classes are actually available to the students after the fact. I send them links. So initially it's exactly like an instructional DVD, except I don't have to spend hours and hours and hours editing it. So yeah, if you sign up for the class, it's only $125. If you've taken classes before, everyone knows that there's a code to get it cheaper. There's a discount code for alumni. For alums might be the code. For folks that have taken the workshops before, and that's available as well. And then you'll have the class as if it was an instructional DVD. Plus you get people's questions in there that they're asking that are pretty nice. I think that kind of helps me to kind of move the conversation over what I'm doing into different directions that I'm not expecting because somebody has a question. I think we have about 40 people signed up for the workshop right now, and so there's room for hundreds, and it'd be great to have more signups because we start on Thursday. So I sent out all the information. I sent out actually instructional video on my palette, which is about 20 minutes long, as well as a panel preparation video as well comes along with this. All of that again is available as downloads, and then the live class is going to be Thursday morning at 10 a.m., which is going to be exciting. Let me check the live chat again. Brenda, alums. Kolinskis are good. They're hard to find now, though. I think it's harder to get stuff into the country. Hey, Brent, or I see Barbara. Hey, Babs, how's it going? Hey, Manon, how's it going? It's cool to see some friends on here. I guess it is Facebook, right? Kind of cool. I might take this video and upload it to YouTube, actually. I haven't really tried that as a social networking program. Oh wait, the color just shifted on that. It got a lot hotter. I'm going to work on my edit of this, I think. My computer is on its last legs. I've been editing on Shayna's computer, and it looks pretty high. I think that's the end of the video. Awesome, guys. Thanks for letting me talk about my upcoming workshop, and it would be great to see you guys. The sign up is, let me see if there's any text that goes along with this. Yep, I got the link in the description right below. It's at Big Cartel, David Casson at bigcartel.com if you want to sign up. It's $125. It's going to be a lot of fun. And awesome, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you later.